Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save your Google Doc as a Microsoft Word document. Nice and easy, no stress at all. Now, maybe you've created a document in Google Docs, but you need to send it to someone who uses Microsoft Word. Or maybe you just want a copy on your computer. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Before we jump in, take a second to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone who might need it. It really helps the channel grow. All right, let's get into it. First, go ahead and open your document in Google Docs. I already have mine open here in Google Chrome. Now, move your mouse to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. Good. Next, hover over Download, and you'll see a list of different file formats appear. Right here, look for Microsoft Word.docx and click on it. Once you click, boom, your document will start downloading immediately. Give it a second. Now head over to your Downloads folder, and you'll see your file right there as a Word document. You can open it using Microsoft Word, edit it, share it, or even print it, just like any normal Word file. And that's it. Super simple, right? Now you can easily convert any Google Doc into a Microsoft Word document anytime you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.